welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about taking KLIA Express from KL Sentral to Kuala Lumpur International Airport, KLIA1 and KLIA2. I started the journey by taking public transport MRT to Museum Negara station. Let's start. From Museum Negara, I will walk to KL Sentral station. That's where I take the KLIA Express. I'm going to show you step by step. This is the Museum Negara metro station. Just follow the signboard. Insert your token to exit Museum Negara station. From the end of the escalator, you can see this big signboard. Then truly you are now at KL Sentral, Kuala Lumpur. Is KLIA Express reliable? It is designed to offer a quick, smooth and safe airport transfer. Next, where do you buy the KLIA Express ticket? You can buy online or you can buy at the counter. You can also buy the ticket at self-service kiosks. How much is a train ticket from KL Sentral to KLIA2 or KLIA? I give you a tip. I purchased the train ticket using Klook apps. It is cheaper. One way is only 50 ringgit instead of 55 ringgit. Round ticket is 90 ringgit instead of 100 ringgit, so you save 10 ringgit. But it's a free ride for kids below 6 years old. For online purchases for children, it requires an adult ticket. You cannot buy a child-only ticket. For Malaysians that always travel, you can use your My Card to get special discount. So, is KLIA Express cheaper than taxi? Generally, yes, cheaper. When you're at the concourse KL Sentral, look at the signboard No Central, and you can see Burger King. Follow the signboard KLIA Express, go straight, and on your right you can see a money changer. After scanning the ticket, take the escalator down to the train platform. Question: can I eat on a train? No, eating and drinking are not allowed. They don't offer refreshments on board. But then you can bring a bottle of water to drink. It takes about 35 minutes to reach KLIA. The KLIA Express 24 hours, No, the first train is around 5 a.m. and the last train from KL Sentral is about 12. Ticket is interchangeable between Terminal 1 and Terminal 2 and the purchase validity is 1 month. It is so convenient. Now we have reached KLIA. We are at level 2 now. Please go to level 3 for departures. Yes, level 3. Follow the signboard and you will see Terminal 2 Departure Hall. May this video be helpful to you. See you in my next video. Bye. Subscribe and comment.